It's difficult to sell a house the traditional way. A real estate agent will expect you to sign a listing contract. But there are no guarantees. Your home could take a very long time to sell. On the other hand, an investor won't ask you to sign anything. You'll often get a cash offer on your very first appointment. An agent will want to put up a for sale sign. This can be a real intrusion if you want to keep the sale of your home private. Investors guarantee you a private, discreet sale. There is no need to install any signs on your property. When you sign with an agent, you'll have to list your home in the multiple listing system. Often you'll wind up with a parade of agents you do not know, stomping through your house with unqualified or unmotivated buyers. When you sell to an investor, you only need to show your home once. You'll avoid the inconvenience of canceled and unannounced showings. With an agent, you'll have to make your house available for an office caravan and open house. If you're selling your house because it's in disrepair, the last thing you'll want is a parade of agents and nosy neighbors. When you sell to an investor, you won't have to open your house to anyone. You can keep your business to yourself. An agent will also expect you to clean, declutter and make repairs to your home in order to make it saleable. Real estate investors will buy your home for cash in an as-is condition. You won't be pressured to make any repairs nor to clean or clear out your home. If you want to avoid all the headaches of going through a traditional sale, sell your house to us. We guarantee you a smooth, worry-free sale and a fast closing. Call us right now.